Yes, it does, but let me explain why. The main purpose for fixing a manhole is basically because of structural deterioration. Over the years, the manhole walls deteriorate by usually sewer gases, or it's a brick manhole, and after 40-50 years, bricks start falling off and the mortar's starting to get replaced. And what this does is let groundwater infiltrate into your system. So the whole purpose of rehabbing a manhole is to fix those structural items that are falling apart. So what we do, we get down in the manhole and we fix those issues. We repair any missing bricks, mortar, fix any leaks, patch holes, any other cracks we fix. And then what we do is we apply a Duracell coating on top of all those repairs, which is usually a ½ inch thick, to keep out any groundwater infiltration. So thus, adding another 25 to 30 years of life onto the manhole.